undo the back of the cigarette lighter socket plug. We won't need that. We have to remove the plastic fascia original from the Bobcat factory by removing these steel clips along the back here. You can start to pry them up with a flat blade screwdriver in there, and then you might need to switch to needle nose pliers to maneuver them off. They are quite hard to get off, so don't be surprised if you have a little bit of a hard time with it. Let me come in close for you and show you this one. I find it's easier to get one end up with the screwdriver and then just simply grab the needle nose pliers like so and twist, and that will release one end of the clip, and then you can have it out like so. You see the fascia starts to come away straight away. Do this for the remaining clips. Okay, we've removed all those clips off the back. That fascia will just come away. And now we can remove this little thing by simply unloading the little T-clips on the end of the elastic. Comes out very quick and easy. Out she comes. Alright, now this is ready to mark and cut. Alright, mark yourself out a cutting line around 5 to 7 millimeters below the outside edge. Forgive my dodgy line. I didn't use a mortise tool here, but that will give us a rough guideline to cut with the Dremel tool. After you've cut out the section marked, you might want to take your knife and just clean up these little edges. Alright, once we've cleaned up all those little artifacts and have a nice clean cut, we're ready to put the fascia on, and we're going to pre-drill through these holes with a 1/8 or 3mm or 2.8mm drill bit. Using the specific coarse thread screws that come with your Pioneer unit, mount the included brackets like so in this position. Now you're ready to drop the Pioneer unit into the original panel and test the fascia over the top for fitment. You'll notice that due to our clever design, one of the bracket mounting holes overlaps with the pre-drill holes that we drilled a little earlier. We'll be putting 3 extra screws into these fasten points to fasten the unit, and then when we add the fascia with the final fasteners, it will fasten that final point. So this gives you a guide as to where to sit the unit now in the fascia. So using the included self-drilling tech screws, you're going to mount these 3 mounting points here, being careful to line up our pre-drilled holes that we have here that we pre-drilled earlier. Alright, this fascia and fit kit is now all fully positioned. Our brackets are screwed in with the tech screws. So the unit itself is now mounted into this panel, and we can refit it to the Bobcat with the plug and play wiring loom. And at the very end of the job, we'll clip the microphone into this clever little microphone housing that's built into the fascia, and then the fascia will fasten over the top of the panel with the included screws through our pre-drilled holes. Alright, thanks for watching. That concludes the assembly step of the installation kit for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to the new Bobcat. In a separate video, which I'll attach a link to below, we'll go over clipping together the interface harness for the plug and play power up and speaker connection and optional reverse camera for the Bobcat. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for